So there are many examples of this law of conservation of energy. First of all, what is law of conservation of energy? Energy neither be created nor be destroyed. We can only transfer energy from one form to other form. Energy total amount remains constant, we can call it as, right? So that is conservation of energy, means to be remain constant. So we can only convert energy, right? It's for example, if we are having object on the fifth floor and we just let that object free fall, so that potential energy because of fifth floor object will be converted into kinetic energy. So it's for example, suppose this is fifth floor and this is ground. We are having object here. So this distance is for example 100 meter, right? Now if this object, we free fall that object and that object now at this position means 50 meter. So whenever this object free fall, what happens? Potential energy is converting into kinetic energy. That means potential energy decreases and kinetic energy increases. So here at this point kinetic energy is zero, potential energy is maximum, right? Here at the half distance, now what we get, kinetic energy is half and potential energy is also we are getting half, right? And now at last when object will be here, kinetic energy will be maximum and because of no height remaining, potential energy will be zero. So all kinetic energy is converting into potential energy. That is the law of conservation of energy, right? Similarly, that example, when current is flowing throughout the wire, it is because of kinetic energy of electron. Now earlier I said that because of that kinetic energy, electrons may get collide with the other electrons or wall of that metallic wire. So because of that collision, that kinetic energy, some fraction will be converted into heat energy, but there is no loss. Kinetic energy will be converting into heat energy as well as frictional energy as well as, and then after we are getting electrical energy. So overall, law of conservation of energy will be followed by that metallic wire, current carrying metallic wire. So this law of conservation, what says? It says that kinetic energy plus potential energy will always remains constant. If kinetic energy increases, potential energy have to be decreased. So is for example, if we are having potential energy 100 joule, right? Constant value. So sum of these two, 100 plus 0 will be 100. Similar now half means 50 joule, 50 joule. Again, if we just sum this kinetic energy, potential energy, constant will be 100 joule. Again, now kinetic energy we are getting, that is 100 joule. This is 0, 100 plus 0 will be 100. So always that constant is fixed, that is 100 joule. So here we can write kinetic energy plus potential energy is equal to total energy, which is always remains constant. So that is law of conservation of energy. Energy is only transferable, not decreases. It just transfers in the other form. That is called conservation of energy.